You may be wondering how you can use Make.com for API integrations. So using Make.com for API integration involves either using its thousands of pre-built app modules or for customless common APIs. So first thing we want to do is to plan your integration. Before you start, identify the goal of your integration, which apps are involved, and review the target API documentations. So the API endpoint URL also determine the required HTTP method. Then you want to create a scenario. Log into your account, click create a scenario, and then edit the trigger module. Then you want to add the HTTP module by adding it to your button in your scenarios. Then you want to configure that HTTP module to your contents. Then after that, just simply edit the URL, the method, the headers, the query parameters, and the body and authentication, and then handle the response. And then lastly, you want to test and activate. So after everything you've done, you can now run the scenario once to test the API call and ensure it processes the data as expected. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.